What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to swap Polygon for Solana in Phantom Wallet. So you might be wondering how to exactly do so. Well, this one is pretty easy. So first things first, let's go open up Phantom Wallet. And at the very top, we have four options. We have receive, send, swap, and buy. Now since we want to swap, let's go and choose swap. Now we have two sections here that you need to fill up. That is the you pay and you receive section. Now since we want to transfer from Polygon to Solana, what we need to do is we want to choose you pay section for Polygon and you receive for Solana. So in this case, you want to go and choose the UPay section here, and you want to go ahead and select Polygon. Now usually it's going to be under the Polygon network here. Choose Polygon, and from here, what we need to do is we now need to go ahead and click on the you receive and choose Solana here. Now since we are transferring cross chain here, the fees are going to be really big. So just keep this in mind. So let's go and click on Solana here. Click on Solana, or you could go and search for it, and you want to go and choose the amount that you want to go ahead and send. Now also you need to review your price here, the fees here. So remember, the fees itself might be big, so make sure that you are or in this case you really are sure you want to proceed with your transaction. But in this case, you want to go and click on swap now if you are sure. Like again, cross-chain transfers or swap can be really big, so just keep in mind the fees may not be the fees are going to be really big. Now sometimes if you don't have enough Polygon in your account, like for example the required amount that you need here to make the transfer is around like 10.9, so you might not be able to make the transfer. So if that's the case, I would recommend you to first make sure you have enough funds here. So let's go ahead and swap or get enough funds here first. Now we just added some funds here. Just going to click on swap now. As you can see, it's now submitting our transaction, so it might take a while for you to, in this case, the transaction to complete, but as you can see, it's now completed. Now, once we actually close this one, go back into our homepage and refresh this, we should now have our updated Solana or our updated balance here now in our wallet. So again, it might take a while here, so go ahead and just wait for it. And as you can see, we now have our updated Solana here, and that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.